Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco spaghetti in the Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi. I have it set on saute high and it's heating up. I'm going to throw in 1.5 pounds of ground beef and brown it up. Now this isn't lean ground beef, so I'm going to have to drain off the excess grease when it's done browning up. Alright, now that my ground beef is browned up and I drained off the excess grease, I have a 1.25 ounce package of taco seasoning mix I'm going to stir in here. And guys, this recipe was made for in the oven. You would fry your beef and stuff in a pan and then transfer it into a baking dish with the rest of the ingredients. But we're just going to modify it for the Ninja Foodi. You could also do this in the Instant Pot or any other pressure cooker that you own. Alright, now I have my taco seasoning in here. You don't have to worry about it getting completely blended because it's going to cook some more. I have this set on the saute medium setting. I have 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese here. This is room temperature and I cut it into cubes. We're going to get this in here and we're going to melt it down quick. And we're going to cook the spaghetti right in here, pardon me. We're going to cook the spaghetti right in here with this Velveeta cheese. We'll see if that's possible, because it's the first time I'm doing this, guys. It's the first time for everything. And I might have to turn my saute setting up to high. I think I'm going to have to do that to warm this up some. So I'll go ahead and I'll turn that up to high. I'm going to go ahead and melt my cheese down, and when my cheese is done melting, I'll bring you guys back. It's only going to take a few minutes. Alright, now that my cheese is melted, I'm going to add in a 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. I'm going to add that in juice and all. I'm going to add in a 10.5-ounce can of cream of chicken soup. Get that down in there. I'm going to give that a stir. Now I'm going to add in some water, guys. I'm going to add in about the amount that I think will be good to cook this spaghetti in here, because this is raw spaghetti I'm putting in. I have 30 ounces of water in here. I'm not going to put all it in at first. I'm going to eyeball this. I'm going to go for about 20 ounces of water. Let me see here. Just a little more. Okay, I think 20 ounces of water would be enough. If you go with 30, your pasta may not drink it up. So that's 20 ounces of water in there with the tomatoes and the cream of chicken soup. Now I have 1 pound of pot perfect spaghetti. Now if you're not sure what that is, Walmart sells it. This stuff's really nice, guys. I'll show you it here. It's half length spaghetti. And the nice thing about that is you don't have to worry about breaking your spaghetti to fit in a pot. It's already cut in half for you. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this down in here. Just want to throw that down in there. And I'm going to throw the whole pound in here. I might have to add a little more water after I get my spaghetti in here. I'll have to take a look at it. And what you want to do is you want to try to stagger the layers of your spaghetti. And try not to dump them all over the floor. Stagger them so that they're not all in one direction, they don't stick together. And guys, this recipe originally called for 10 ounces of spaghetti, but when you're feeding a family, 10 ounces of spaghetti just don't quite do it. So, now that I have all my spaghetti in there, I'm going to add the rest of the water. And so we're going for a full 30 ounces of water. And not to worry, guys, because that pasta, as it cooks, when it's done and I stir it, it's going to drink that liquid up like a thirsty camel. So I'm going to go ahead and get my lid on this, my pressure cooker lid. Let me wipe this off, guys. It's a little dusty from sitting up on the shelf. Alright. I'm going to seal this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to pressure cook on high for 8 minutes, and then we'll do a quick release of the pressure when it's done. Alright guys, my 8 minutes are up. I did that quick release of the pressure. Now this looks awful soupy, but once I get stirring this around in here, this spaghetti will drink up this cheesy, delicious taco sauce in here. And I have a little bit of spaghetti that's stuck together, but we'll just separate that. But all in all, the spaghetti's looking good, guys. And you see how that's drinking up that cheese sauce in there. Now we're not done with this yet. We're going to go one level further. I have some Fiesta blend cheese. You could also use taco cheese or Mexican blend cheese in this. I'm going to go ahead and throw about a cup to a cup and a half in here. Let me give that a stir. And guys, look at how beautiful that's looking. And it's smelling delicious in the house here. We'll throw a little more in. So we're going for about 1.5 cups of cheese. Give that a stir. Now if you're feeling really ambitious, when you serve this up, you could dice up some green onion and throw it on top of there, but I'm not really in the mood tonight to go through all that, so we're not going to do that. You see how thick that sauce is getting, how beautiful? Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Start with a little bit of that spaghetti. It's really delicious, guys. Spaghetti's cooked al dente. If you like it a little softer, you can go for 10 minutes rather than 8. That's intense in cheese flavor. You have the taco seasoning, and then you have the heat from the diced green chilies and the tomatoes. Ground beef is nice and tender. Well seasoned, guys. That is really delicious. I really enjoy that. I know the family will too. Alright, there you have it. Taco, spaghetti, and the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.